Women can say, I love you. They can even sleep with you and still not love you. Crazy, right? But when a woman genuinely loves a man, she does things most guys completely miss. And I'm about to spill all the tea. So if you've ever wondered, does she actually love me or is she keeping me around? This video is about to give you all the answers. Let's get into it. Thing number one, she lets you see her without the mask. All right, first thing, and this one is huge. She stops performing for you. Look, when women first meet you, we're all curated, okay? Hair is perfect, makeup on point. We're laughing at all your jokes, even when they're not all that funny. Sorry, not sorry. But here's the real deal. When a woman loves you, she lets you see the part that she hides from everyone else. I'm talking about no makeup, messy hair, crying over something that happened over work, admitting that she's scared about something. Most guys think she's getting comfortable or letting herself go. Wrong. This means she trusts you with her real self. And trust me, that's rare as diamonds, fellas. She might show up in sweatpants and hoodie, hair, bun looking a mess, looking you dead in your eyes saying, this is me. You either take it or you leave it. That's not laziness. That's emotional nakedness right there. If she's doing this with you, congratulations. You've graduated from the guy she's dating to the man she feels safe with. Big difference. Thing number two. She takes care of you without being asked. She becomes your personal caretaker, and she doesn't even realize she's doing it. I'm talking about bringing you coffee when you didn't ask, noticing you're tired before you even say a word, checking to see if you ate lunch, checking to see how that meeting went that you mentioned 3 days ago. Now listen, this isn't about gender roles or trying to be your mom. When a woman loves you, your well-being becomes her instinct. She'll cook for you, not because you demanded it, but because seeing you happy makes her happy. She'll pick up your favorite snacks at the store just because. She'll notice you're stressed and just handle things. Here's the kicker though. Women don't do this for just anyone. She won't interrupt her day for a guy she's unsure about. She won't be folding your laundry if you're just a placeholder in her life. So, if you're getting this treatment, my friend, you're not just another guy. You're the guy. Thing number three. She defends your name when you're not around. And this one will blow your mind. She becomes your invisible bodyguard. You know a woman loves you not by how she acts when you're there, but by what she says when you're not in the room. Does she light up when your name comes up? Does she shut down her friends when they try to clown you? Does she stop gossip about you dead in their tracks? Because here's the truth. Most women will stay quiet if they don't really care. They'll let people disrespect you. They'll laugh when people make fun of your quirks. They'll nod along when someone says you're too quiet or you're too whatever. But a woman who loves you, she becomes your PR manager. She'll check her best friend real quick. Don't talk about him like that. No hesitations. She'll even risk making things awkward just to protect your reputation. Why? Because when she loves you, your success, your name, your reputation, it all matters to her. You're not just her boyfriend. You're part of her identity now. So here's a little test. Pay attention to what gets back to you through mutual friends. If she's defending you in your absence, brother, that's love right there. Thing number four, she stops entertaining other men. She becomes emotionally exclusive even before you make it official. Now this one is subtle, but so powerful. You might think exclusivity starts when you both agree to become a couple, but women who genuinely loves you, it happens way before that conversation. She stops replying to those other guys sliding in her DM. She pulls back from male friends who clearly want more than friendship. She starts turning down invites that she knows will make you uncomfortable. And she doesn't do this because you demanded it. She does it because in her heart, you're already her man. You'll notice she gets quieter on social media, more private, less attention seeking. Why? Because love doesn't need to broadcast itself. It protects what it has. She's not posting those thirst trap selfies anymore. She's not staying out till 3 a.m. with her girlfriends. She's not keeping one foot out the door just in case. When a woman starts guarding your relationship like a secret worth protecting, you're no longer an option. You're her choice. Thing number five, she sees your flaws and stays anyway. And this one separates the real ones from the fake ones. She sees your darkness and doesn't run. Most women want your highlight reel, your charm, your success, your best moments, all wrapped up in one nice package. But the woman who loves you, she stays when you're having that breakdown at 2 a.m. She doesn't flinch when you open up about your struggles. She doesn't weaponize your past or use your mistakes against you later. Instead, she sits in the mess with you. She listens without trying to fix everything. She holds your silence just as tenderly as your words. And here's what's wild. She doesn't pity you. She respects you more. Because to her, vulnerability isn't weakness. It's proof that you trust her enough to take off the armor. A woman in love doesn't love you despite your flaws. She loves you through them. She might challenge you, call you out, even push you to level up, but she never makes you feel unworthy of love just because you're human. If she stays when things get dark, not out of obligation, but because her heart recognizes yours, don't take that lightly, my friend. Thing number 6, she makes your dream her mission. She becomes your biggest cheerleader and your secret weapon, all rolled into one. When a woman loves you, she doesn't just support your dream. She helps you build them. She's asking about your goals, learning about your business, remembering the names of people who matter to your success. She's not trying to change your core or shrink your ambition. Instead, she figures out how to move with you. You're grounding late on a project, she brings you food and lets you work. You need to hit the gym at 5 a.m., she stopped complaining about early mornings. But here's the beautiful part. She doesn't lose herself in the process. She keeps doing her thing, but weaves herself into your rhythm. So she becomes your melody to your beat. She's not looking for a life to escape into. She's looking for a man that she can build an empire with. And when you find a woman like that, hold on tight, because that kind of partnership is pure gold. So there you have it, guys. 6 things women do only for men they truly love. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you experienced any of these signs? Drop a comment below and let me know which one hit home for you. And if you're sitting there thinking, damn, she really does love me, don't just sit with that thought. Appreciate that woman. Show her you notice what she does. Because trust me, good women are rare. And the ones who love like this, they're diamonds. If this opened your eyes to something that you might have been missing, smash that like button. Subscribe for more real talks about relationships. And remember, it's not about finding someone perfect. It's about finding someone who loves you perfectly and imperfect. This has been your girl, Remi Rene. I will see you in my next video.